Mr. Sam bought a shirt for $50 and sold it for $60. Okay, then he bought it back at $70 and sold it again for $70. Now the question is asking us if he made $10, $20, $30 or $40. So how much did he make? Can you let me know that in the comments before we solve this? Now the mistake that many people do with this question is that they pay attention to this $70 and they feel like, oh, he bought it for he sold it for $60 and now he bought it for $70. He bought it back for $70 and they think he lost money, but he didn't lose any money. So now let's take it one after the other, statement by statement. Let's start with the first statement. It says Mr. Sam bought a shirt for $50. So he bought it for $50 and then he sold it for $60. So let's first calculate the profit he made first. So he first made 60 minus 50. So that means for his first sale, he made a profit of $10. Then he bought it back for $70. He bought it back for $70 and sold it again for $80. So he sold it for $80 and he bought it for $70. So that means he made another profit. The second time, he made another profit of $10. So that means he made a total of $70. I mean $20. His total profit is $20. So now you don't have to pay attention to the fact that he bought it for $70 and thinking he made a loss. No, he didn't lose any money because we are not focusing on his capital here. We are focusing on his profit. He first bought it for $50 and sold it for $60. That means he made $10. Then he bought it again for $70 and sold it for $80. That means he made another $10. So he made a total of $20. Do you agree with this or do you have another opinion? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video.